This is a faceless YouTube channel called Quizblitz. They make these viral videos that make you guess the logo, trivia, or whatever the topic is with bright colors, simple animations, and fun music. And not once in any of these videos do they show their actual face. Quizblitz is getting 9 million views a month from posting these quiz videos, and using TubeMagic's Niche Explorer for the niche of viral quizzes, they're getting about $4 for every 1,000 views. Which this means this channel is getting $36,000 a month posting content that they could pay someone else to completely make for them. Here's another channel called Daily Quiz that's getting 8 million views a month. That's $32,000 a month. Here's a smaller channel called Quiz Monster. It is smaller, but they're still making $8,000 a month from this one channel. However, what if I were to tell you that not only are these videos super profitable, but you can start today with using AI softwares to make them super easily, as well as you'll discover the one secret to make your videos have a higher chance of going viral that 99% of YouTubers don't know and don't use. Well, it's a good thing you're watching this video because I'm gonna show you an entire free tutorial on how to do this entirely using AI softwares. Let's begin. Starting off on TubeMagic, which is a software completely designed to supercharge your YouTube channel, they have a library of AI tools, but the very specific tool I'm gonna pick first is the Video Ideas tool. And right here, I'm gonna put in the @ of the channel I'm going to model, which in this example is Quizblitz. So I'm gonna put in Quizblitz @ right here. Quizblitz, and then they have an underscore at the very end. So I'm gonna hit that and then hit on generate. And now by simply hitting on the generate tool, I am making myself unlimited, unique, viral worthy video ideas for my videos. Here we go. Guess the famous voice. Can you identify these celebs? The color challenge. Guess the right shade. What color is your dream house? Find with this quiz. Which famous painting matches your personality? These are all viral video ideas that are being completely made off already winning channel within my niche. So if you're using AI and modeling them after videos that are already winning within your niche, what's to say your videos won't start winning within the quiz niche? Next, on TubeMagic's main tool page, I'm gonna select on the keyword research tool right here, and I'm gonna put in my keyword, which in this example is going to be quiz, because that's the videos we're making. And I'm gonna hit on enter, and now TubeMagic is giving me a bunch of videos based on how much searches they're getting per month, their competition score, and then an overall magic score of how good it is. And you can simply press on one of these and filter it. So choose your gift: pink, gold, black, blue, which is getting 3,000 searches a month with low competition. Trivia Daily, which is getting 1,200 searches a month with low competition. Daily Quiz, 73,000 searches a month, medium competition, and overall magic score of 6. How about we try to be a little bit more specific? I'll type in movie quiz, just like that. And I'm going to filter by the magic score, and there we go. We have quizzes to play as a family, 2,300 searches a month with low competition. Guess the movie by emoji, Inside Out 2, 4,000 searches a month. And another thing that works super well is doing search volume, so you're able to see what's being searched a lot. Taylor Swift, Inside Out 2, Inside Out, Would You Rather, Inside Out 2, Guess the Song, Quiz Game. So you can be able to tap into the viral trends that are being searched actively every single month. Now, we have yet to use TubeMagic's most important tool to help you increase the chances of your videos going viral, which you guys do not want to miss. But if you guys want to get TubeMagic right now, you can get it for an entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. Yes, an entire week for only $1. I'm not sure how long this deal will continue to go, but using TubeMagic's tools, you can get a lot done in the 1 week trial. That's only $1 for you guys to just try out TubeMagic and see how good it is and how correct of a fit it is for you. Next, we're gonna use ChatGPT. And as all you guys know, ChatGPT is completely free. And right here on ChatGPT, I'm gonna write, make me a list of names for a viral quiz YouTube channel. And then I'm going to hit on this arrow right here, and now ChatGPT is gonna make me a list of quiz names for my YouTube channel. So Quiz Quest, Trivia Titans, Quizmania, Brainbusters, Blaney Blitz, Quiz Quirk. I really like this one right here, Quiz Quest. And I'm gonna check to see if this is an actual name of a popular channel on YouTube. So I did find a channel called Quiz Quest right here, but they're only getting 42 views, 24 views, 240 views a video, and only have 2,000 subscribers, and I could easily beat this channel. In my opinion, don't name yourself similar to a channel that's getting consistent views and is uploading recently. In this case, this channel is not getting consistent views, so I can use the name QuizQuest. Now, if you want to get a profile picture or banner for only $10 a month, you can get this extension on Discord called Midjourney and simply put in Imagine and then type in this prompt right here: a bright, colorful YouTube banner for a quiz YouTube channel, high quality, and then make sure to put in double hyphen, aspect ratio 16:9, and then hit on enter, and now Midjourney is completely generating you a banner for your YouTube channel with AI. While it's doing that, I can also make a profile picture. So I'm gonna write a bright, colorful YouTube channel profile picture for a quiz YouTube channel, high quality. And since your profile picture is a square, I'm just gonna hit on enter just like that. Now, as you can see right here, it's already made me amazing banners for my quiz YouTube channel, and I can simply just upscale the one I like. So we like this fourth one right here, so I'm gonna press upscale 4. And then same thing with the profile pictures. I really like this one right here, so I'm just gonna press on upscale 4 for that one. Now we have a banner and a profile picture for my YouTube channel. Usually I like to download the banner and put a little subscribe button and the name of the channel right here, but this is a good start for your channel starting off. However, now going back on ChatGPT, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to write, I am making a quiz video called Guess the Logo. I need 25 brands that don't have their name in the logo and make sure to rank them by most known to least known. And then there we go. Now there's a reason why I structured the prompt like this. I made sure to ask for 25 brands despite our video only being 15 brand logos. That way we can pick the best 15 logos out of all the 25 that ChatGPT gives us. I also made sure to ask that they don't have their name in the logo, because if the company has their name literally in the logo, then it's not really fun and you can guess it very easily. And finally, I asked them to make sure to rank them by most known to least known, because I want the people to start the video with the easy questions first and slowly get into the hard ones later on. That way the quiz is easy at the beginning and not hard, because if they get a couple questions wrong, they'll click off, rather than them getting the first couple questions right and continue watching the video. And then you can simply put your companies into a spreadsheet and put it on Google Sheets just like this. And this step is very important for later, and you guys will see why. Now, a lot of you guys have been recently messaging me for free one-on-one trainings, and I love helping you guys and I love helping you grow your guys' channels, but unfortunately I just don't have enough time to go through and do one-on-one trainings with every person who follows the channel. But for every problem, there's a solution. So we at TubeMagic got together and we decided that I'm gonna host a completely free live training that's going to help you 10x the growth on your YouTube channel that you can watch for completely free. However, unfortunately, the spots for the free training are limited, but you can secure your seat right now before they run out by pressing on the link in the description below for the free training. This is completely free, and it's just an extra little bit of value that I want to give you guys. So we're doing a free live training that you guys can attend. Now next, using a site called Canva, I'm gonna go over to the video button right here and then go to YouTube video and press on that. I'm gonna make the duration of my first slide 6 seconds. So I'm gonna raise that up to 6 seconds, just like that. And now I need a background. So I'm gonna go over to elements and I'm gonna use a spiral background. Now you can use any of these backgrounds right here, but I'm gonna use this one because of just how colorful and how visible it is. And I'm just gonna extend that to fit my screen. Next, I'm gonna go over to shapes right here and I'm gonna simply type in circle. I'm gonna press on that right there, bring it up over here and then change the color of that to something that stands out more. So I'm gonna do a light red, make that a little bit smaller. And then over here, I'm gonna press these 3 lines right here and I'm gonna add a border weight for the stroke. Then I'm gonna press on this and then change that to white so it stands out more, just like that. Next, I'm gonna go over to text right over here, press add a heading, and I'm gonna type in guess the logo. I'm gonna change the font to something a little bit more fun, just like that. I'm gonna increase the size of that right there. I'm gonna move it up over here, change the color to white, color this part of the text a different color. So I'm just gonna select a light blue. Then I'm gonna go over to effects right here and I'm gonna add a black border to make this stand out more. So I'm gonna press on black just like that, raise that up just a little bit, and there we go. I'm gonna copy this and paste it, change it to 1, and then I'm gonna move it over this little circle right here to signify which number question this is. Make that a little smaller. And then I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to type out the result of the logo or whatever I have in question. So for this example, it's going to be McDonald's. Then I'm going to go back to elements. Then I'm going to type in square, go to shapes, select the borderless square right here. Then I'm gonna move it and adjust it and make it look like it's a time bar that's ticking down. And then I added some white border to that as well. Next, I'm gonna go over to uploads and put in my McDonald's logo. I'm gonna show you guys how to get pictures just like this or generate all of these images yourself for this video. But right now I'm just gonna shorten that down and put that in the middle. I'm also gonna copy this text again and then make it into a watermark where I'm going to put it semi-transparent on the sides. So I wrote Quiz Quest for mine, and I'm going to make that semi-transparent just like that. I'm going to move that over to the side and then rotate it. Then I'm going to copy and paste it and then do the same thing on the other side. Now next, make sure you press on the text that reveals it and press on show timing right here. Then you're going to want to make that only reveal at the last second and a half. So I'm going to do 1.5 right there. Then you're going to press on this bar right here, press on animate, and then press on wipe right here, but make the speed at the very lowest, just like that. Also make sure to animate the McDonald's text as well, so we're gonna put in pan just like that. Now back on elements, I'm gonna type in clock ticking, and we're gonna do this for our audio. I'm gonna go over to audio right here, and I really like this clock ticking right here, so I'm gonna use that. Now here's how that's gonna look like. Next, I'm going to go to apps down here. I'm going to type in bulk create. And I'm going to press on this one right here. I'm going to press on enter data manually. I'm going to put this as number, brand name, clear these out. And then this is the important reason why we made a spreadsheet, because now I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this into my bulk create. Just like that. Now I'm going to press on add image right here, and I'm going to start adding in the images of the brand. Now obviously going to go down and fill out the images for all of these, but I'm going to simply do just these 5 for the video, and I'm going to hit on done right here. Next, I have to connect the data to my elements. I'm going to select the brand name, press connect data, put that as the brand name, then I'm just going to hit on continue. Then I press on generate 15 designs, and now Canva has went through and it's bulk created me my entire video just like that with the names popping up because I used that bulk create option. To get these logos, you can use a site like Stick PNG where you simply just type in a logo. So let's say Snapchat logo, and then it'll give you the PNG logos for you to use and put into Canva, but just make sure to read the copyrights and make sure that it's suitable to use for your project. Another way of getting your images is by using Midjourney like I mentioned earlier. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna type in /imagine, and then let's say we're making a video about can you guess the United States president. I'm gonna type in Abraham Lincoln portrait, full upper body, photorealistic, solid chroma green screen background, and I'm going to make sure to put in aspect ratio 16:9 for videos, and I'm going to hit on enter. Now it's made me a bunch of good ones, but this one at the very top is probably the best, so I'm going to press on upscale 1, and I'm going to save this image. Now back on Canva, say instead of a logo, I'm using the president, and I want to use this image. I'm going to upload it right here. I'm going to press on edit image, and then I'm going to select background remover right here. And now it's going to use AI to automatically remove it. I just size it correctly just like this, and then bring it to the back, and there we go. I can use a US president or any other image I want to generate through Midjourney just like that. Now to finish up my video, I'm going to copy this sound effect and just paste it through every single slide just like that. Then using 11 Labs, I'm going to create myself a text-to-speech of every single result. So right here we have McDonald's.
McDonald's.
And I can just download that right there. And I'm going to move that right there. Then I'm going to add some music. So over on Elements, I'm going to type in happy upbeat instrumental, and I'm going to go over to audio right here. And I'm just going to use that audio right there. I'm going to bring that to the beginning, and I'm going to lower the volume a bit so it's not too loud. So I'm going to lower that down to maybe like 30%.
McDonald's.
Then I'm going to add a transition right here between each and every clip. So I'm going to press on that, and I could just put in flow just like this. So now it'll look something like this.
McDonald's.
There we go. Now just go through and make all the changes for your video, but now we're going to get into making the thumbnail. Back on Canva's homepage, you're going to press on the YouTube thumbnail right here. Then on Elements, I'm going to put in spiral background. I can use one just like this right here, and I'm going to extend that all the way. Next, I'm going to put in square for shape. Click on it. Change the color to something more visible, so I'm going to do red. Then I'm going to give that a border as well, just like that. I'm going to add some text again, so I'm going to press on the heading. I'm going to write guess the logo. I'm going to make that white, and I'm going to change the font once again. I can make that color blue again right here. Press on effects, add an outline. I can add another square shape. Let's make that color blue. Extend it to make it a little bit bigger like that. Now let's give that an outline as well. In this case, I'm gonna make that white though. And then I'm gonna copy that, paste that all over. And then I'm going to upload my logo. So I'm gonna go down here and then just start uploading these logos for my thumbnail. And then you're just gonna wanna go through and adjust the colors of these companies so that they fit a lot more and it makes a lot more sense. And there we go, I made a thumbnail for my video in Canva, and I'm just gonna go over to share and then download it right here. Make sure you select it as a JPEG because PNGs don't really upload well on YouTube, and then just hit on download. Now the next part is extremely crucial for your video to have the highest chance of going viral, and I'm about to show you guys that right now. Going back on TubeMagic, we're gonna scroll down to the Warp upload tool right here. We're gonna press on the content and we're gonna write what our video is about. So we're going to write, this video is a quiz video about guessing the correct company logo, and we're gonna hit on generate right here. And now TubeMagic is tapping into videos with viral optimization on YouTube, and using those videos as a model, it is creating a title, description, and tags completely for you in seconds. So as you can see, can you guess the correct company logo? Logo quiz challenge, test your brand knowledge. Guess the logo, are you a branding expert? All of these. The description, it has the best keywords right here, and then the best tags that you can just simply press the copy button right here and have it ready for when you upload your video. You can even upload your thumbnail so you can preview what it would look like with your thumbnail and the title. So you have an amazing thumbnail and an amazing title, and now your video has the increased chances of going viral on YouTube because it's tapping in to already viral optimized videos on the platform. Using this, you can make profitable quiz videos completely faceless on YouTube. And if you guys want to learn how to make viral history shorts right now with AI, then check out this video right here because it's super valuable, and I'll show you exactly how to do that.